What up, people? On today's episode of Mike's Motorbikes, we're gonna be playing with the Daihatsu Hijet again. I think I'm gonna maybe cut the exhaust off and see what she sounds like, and then if I like the way it sounds, maybe I might have a surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. First, I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like stock. It's not very impressive. So I don't even know if you guys could hear that in the video, but obviously it's not very impressive. It sounds, you can't even hear it over the tires when you're driving, and there's no tachometer, so it's kind of hard to tell when to shift. I know when to shift now from owning it, but when I let my friends drive it, it's not pretty. They're revving the thing to like 9 grand without realizing it. So let's see what we can do about that. All right, there's no turning back now. There we go, she's cut. Now let's see what it sounds like after that. Just now, slightly regretting my decision already, but what's done is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that whole big muffler monstrosity pulled out, and then I'm gonna show you guys my plan here. I probably just lost 25 pounds on this thing, which is a big deal for a truck with 30 horsepower, but here we are. I will reveal my plan to you guys. This is it. We got an old beat up FMF muffler that I think is gonna be pretty cool. It's off a quadzilla LT500 2-stroke, if you're familiar with those. Probably needs packing, so it's probably not going to do much muffling, but I think it'll look cool, and we're going to get her done. Gotta love it when a plan works out. I cut the other side off the muffler, okay, the tailpipe, spun it around, and it just happened to fit right in the area we cut before, which brings us over here. Obviously there's going to be hangers, and that's going to sit there, and then the plan is for this to come out the back and sit right about there when we're done. Now's the part where we get to see the unveiling of my plan that went surprisingly well. I did not have to buy a single thing. So here is the muffler, or the exhaust with the hanger, coming back to the FMF. Look at that, with another hanger welded to the frame there. It's got plenty of wiggle, just like it's supposed to. I'm not the best welder in the world, but it's solid welded. There's no leaks, and look at that. That is just beautiful right there. Here's another view. You can clearly see it's got an FMF on it, which I love. So let me get my stand set up and I'll show you guys what it sounds like. So there you have it, folks. Mini truck with a dirt bike exhaust, or ATV exhaust, just like that. Went surprisingly way smoother than I thought. I didn't have to spend any money, and that's the way I like it. So like, comment, subscribe, comment if you guys want me to do more stupid mini truck stuff, because I got a couple more tricks up my sleeve. But for now, that's going to be it, guys. Have a good one.